So you used both a battery and a supercapacitor in this lesson, and you were looking at how they were similar, but how they were also different. So what you may have seen is that when you used your battery, it was doing one thing.
Right, it was providing energy for the fan to actually turn. But then later, you can hook up the supercapacitor, and once your turbine now is in the airstream, it will transfer that energy to the supercapacitor.
So when you use your battery, it makes the fan spin and it gives it that steady trickle of electricity. But if you charge your supercapacitor and use it to power your fan,
It's just going to dump all of that electricity.
It just dumps it out. It's not going to last for a long period of time. It's going to be a few seconds. So they're not the same, but they can both power your fan, and you can use a supercapacitor to store energy. So what you were doing today was looking at a way to model a way to generate electricity using a renewable source. So what that means is if you're using the wind, you can use as much of it as you want and you won't run out of it.
Right, just like the last lesson generating electricity, you learned that by turning the motor shaft, you're able to generate electricity. Now we're just using wind to do that for us.
And so the supercapacitor was simply a way to think to model how you might store the electricity generated with a renewable source.
Right, and there's a lot of renewable sources that are being utilized today. A lot of people are getting solar panels on their homes, trying to get as much of that sunlight on their roof that they can to generate electricity.
And so the next time you see those turbines on the freeway, now you know what they are and you've modeled them yourself.